Hello, how are you? I'm Jay Jones from Jay's Italian Ice. Been in business for 4 months now, a brand new business based out of Raleigh, downtown here on Martin Street by Beasley's. I'm here every day of the week, Monday through Friday. I also work at North Hills. I do sporting events, cookouts, reunions, block parties, school functions, church functions, anything you have in mind, I can be there, and I love doing it. My Twitter handle is Jay's Italian Ice. I'm on Facebook as well at jaysitalianice.com. Come on by, give me a call. I do parties, everything you have in mind. Appreciate it.
Hi. So this is the world's only food truck for dogs, and it supports Paws Forever, which is the no-kill shelter in Orange County.
Okay.
Okay. And we sell dog treats and ice cream, doggy ice cream from here that is all healthy and natural and good for dogs. And all of our profits benefit Paws Forever.
Oh, wow.
So we're a nonprofit organization.
So where do people find you? How do they find out about you or follow you?
On our website, which is www.pawsforever.org, pause with the number 4. And we have a tab on our website that's specifically for the Wagon. It tells you exactly where the wagon's going to be all the time.
Kona Chameleon. We started doing coffee, the better part of 10 years ago. We've always used Larry's beans. Larry actually was instrumental in getting me started in this business. He helped me get started with some carts over at the RBC Center. And
so you've always been a cart coffee.
We've always been mobile, special events. That's what we do. The van I put together a couple years ago. Really to facilitate my catering business. We do quite a bit of coffee catering to during the week, local businesses, and I was hauling a lot of stuff in and out of buildings, and thought it would be a great way to.
The vehicle is your creation.
Yeah, it is actually. It was an empty van when we started. I designed the inside, had it done professionally, and actually the graphics and the artwork were done here locally as well by a gentleman named Clark Hippolito, who many will know with Art Co. So those guys did all the wood graining. It's actually hand painted. I looked at putting a wrap on, but
so what's your Twitter?
It's Kona Chameleon.
Is that how most people see your location?
Yeah, we get some traffic from Twitter. Our website is konachameleon.com, and word of mouth and all those. So yeah,
that's great.
Hold on, Bob.